This is the World Cup season going on, and everyone is interested in it. This video is about some links between mathematics or physics with football. Science is everywhere, you know or not, so enjoy the video. Check if you could know something new.
Football statistics appear everywhere, but could you actually win at penalties using statistics? Researchers from the University of Amsterdam have studied World Cup penalty shootouts and found that statistically, goalkeepers are twice as likely to dive to the right when their team is behind. Penalty takers on the other hand were shown to shoot to the left or right in equal measure. Researchers at Brunel University have shown that the angle which will maximize the distance of a throw-in is around 30 degrees. The researchers have however shown that footballers can usually throw at higher speeds from lower angles, meaning that the best angle is around 30 degrees, not 45 degrees as you might have thought. In professional football, referees use what is called the diagonal system of control. If the referee just ran up and down the center of the pitch, then there would be parts of the pitch which weren't covered as well, whereas geometrically this formation covers the pitch much more efficiently. Comment if you liked the video, and what topics you want to see in upcoming videos. Also don't forget to like, share and subscribe.